A very good initiative. In fact, what I would suggest is that every organization should do it for all their employees.
It's a technology-driven initiative, and which is done in a much shorter time. And good thing is that in fact it takes care of both physical as well as mental awareness.
It was very nice, awesome. I could actually relate my medical reports, which I did about a couple of years back. Whatever medicines I have not taken, I can actually see the effect of that in the current report. I'm very impressed.
And indicate that what you need to do and how you can improve your overall well-being.
I think it's an excellent initiative. Just gives a lot of awareness about your own body. I think it is very, very important.
Very informative. A lot of things we're not even aware of. So many things we do regularly and we just don't think about it. So very nice.
It is a great initiative by GMR Group and partnering with Envirochip. And today's assessment by Envirochip team given a broader overview about our health wellness factors in terms of what we need to do and what we need to continue and what we need to do.
Nice experience. First time I have encountered such kind of a scanning, and the results also came out as per my tests carried out last month only. I think it's quite accurate. Accuracy wise, I would say it is quite accurate.
This initiative will definitely help me to know how my health is doing, and obviously it will help in my day-to-day workings, and obviously to my team also will be effective.
Good thing is that in fact it gives us the early indicators of the areas which needs special attention. I think that's the big thing in fact that has come out of this particular in fact program. This will help us to in fact focus upon the areas and improve upon both the physical as well as the mental areas where in fact we are trying.
Moment for me because what is coming out here is actually very serious. I think I should take my health very seriously.
This is going to basically give indications to the me as well as employees in terms of how do they change their lifestyle, what is going to help them feel better and improve their
I think it is something really great because it is giving you insights into your own body, which probably we don't know. And I mean, what if we start knowing it, we start doing something about it, we are looking at getting even better. So I think personally as well as for the team, it's something very, very excellent.
So, I think this gives us an insight into our health. I mean, it has made us sit back and think also what we do every day, what we are doing wrong, and what we can do to, I think, make our future life better than what it is right.
It is definitely will benefit because now we are getting all information in digital. That's one good thing, and this will make us to put a target for tomorrow. Today, for example, I have a wellness factor of 90. I'm targeting to become 100. I have 100 days planned into it. So this is
Knowing your problems is most important. Once you know the problem, you can always work on it.
Yes.
So I think this assessment, which is non-invasive, will definitely help people.
It's a very good program. It's like whatever the findings are, it's exactly the ones that I also know. Means I have done recently.
Would like to ensure that in fact we give this test in fact quite often, and see that in fact we keep a track continuously and improve upon, because end of the day health is wealth.
I'm sure I'm going to start whatever the doctor has suggested with respect to the intake of supplements, fruits, including the walking and all that.
It's holistic. It is something which is preventive. It is scientific in terms of how you measure the overall wellness and come out.
My key takeaways is, of course, your food habits, how you sleep, what stress does to your body, all of it. I mean, we sometimes know it, but knowing it all together and that how scientifically it is being established, that's the more important thing.
Two things. One, I feel the topic about sunlight, which is something I think all of us are missing now. We barely see sunlight, so I think that's something. And the second was dopamine, the happiness index, which you covered. These two things is, I think, something which really need to look at.
The key takeaways are like what you're supposed to do to meet your wellness factor, and what you're supposed to eliminate to make your wellness factor.
It's very convenient for the patient, and the results are instantaneous. You don't have to wait for 24 hours or 48 hours for the reports to come. But I would say it is indicative. It is not giving you the actual numbers which are required. This indication itself is required to take the correct path. Once you know which direction you are moving in with and what is the right direction, you are moving into a wrong direction, the indication is already there with you. So you correct your course and then come back to the right course.
It's excellent. It's excellent.
Make it a mandate.
Awesome.
Holistic.
I think it's going to be a blessing for everybody.
It is a great initiative.
First word is learning. It is learning for me. Second is satisfaction.